I always get the question, what would you do if you had $1,000 and you were starting over from scratch? So in today's video, I'm going to answer that question of the steps I would take in order to turn that 1,000 into 20, 50, $100,000. Before we begin, I want to set an expectation though for all of you guys looking to learn how to trade. You're going to be confused in this industry because there's going to be a lot of gurus out there claiming that they have the golden ticket for you to become successful. And I just want to let you know that there's no one trader that has the golden ticket for you. You just have to find what works best for you. So hopefully by the end of this video, I can teach you guys what works best for me currently and something I would do if I started over from scratch so that you guys can hopefully learn from and take this strategy and apply it inside of your trading. Step number one, we have to set up a software to trade on. So right here's Bitunix. I do have a referral with them. It's the one I use personally. It's the one I recommend to my friends and family. If you want to support the channel, click the link down below, create an account. I would greatly appreciate it. If not, no worries, find a software that works for you. Now that we have our software set up, we're gonna go to TradingView right here, and we're gonna create a free TradingView account because TradingView is where we're gonna do all of our charting and be looking at majority of the time. And then we're gonna use Bitunix to place our trades. Now that we have the software set up, we gotta have a strategy, right? Because we can't just go in the market blindly. We have to have a strategy we can apply every single day and something that we can stick to religiously to grow our account, because we can't sit there and be guessing in the markets because you're just going to lose your $1,000. The strategy I like to use is a 7-step strategy. Number one is you're going to draw your key levels out. Key levels are where price respects more than one time, and the more the merrier. The more touch points it has, the stronger this level holds. So we have our levels right here on the 1 and 4 hour. You can look at both of those time frames. For that is the 1 and 4 hour. We can see that price respects this level more than 2 times, more than 3 times, more than 4 times, and even more than 5. So this is a key level that price respects heavily. So if price does come back to it, we can expect price to bounce at that level. Number 2 is going to be looking for your displacement moves, imbalance moves, big moves from a reversing trend. So if we see here, we're in a downtrend, and then we see price break the downtrend and create an uptrend. This is where you're going to want to see your imbalance moves, which are big pushes up after breaking the structure right here, this down structure, which we got right here and right here. So we're going to draw our Fibonacci levels. Right here is the Fibonacci levels, the only Fibonacci levels you need. Once you first apply the Fibonacci, all of these will be selected. Clear them all. These are the only 3 you need and the only ones you will need. Apply these settings because we're going to draw it from our swing low to our swing high. Next step is we're going to wait for a corrective pullback into this zone. You don't just want to look for a straight knife down into it. And we want to see price pull on back slowly and then sweep into it. Now, once we get that, we want to look for fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps that we can use. I can see I have one right here that we have that price may respect. If not, we just want to see relative strength out of this in order for us to want to take a starter. Now, another thing you can use is the RSI indicator for this of looking for strength. So make sure to check that out. You could just use any RSI indicator out there that shows bull divs, bear divs. So now that we have that, we have our corrective pullback. What is the last step? And that's going to be risk management, because a strategy really doesn't matter if you have bad risk management. You can have a half decent strategy and good risk management and you will be a profitable trader. It all comes down to your risk management and your emotions, nothing else. Yes, there are really bad strategies out there, so I'm not saying don't find a good strategy, have good risk management, manage your emotions, and you will be a great trader. But easier said than done, trust me, you'll find it out shortly. Emotions play a big role in that, and risk management also does as well. So make sure to keep those at a check every single day before you log in. Something I like to do is look at all my roles every single day to just remind myself, yes, I've been doing this for 5 years, but reading them every day just puts it in the back of my brain every single time I look at the charts. Now that you have the first 2 steps done, we're going to go on to the last step, which is going to be finding a community that can help keep you accountable and surround you with like-minded individuals. And also learn from somebody that was in your shoes at one time, not just somebody that claims to be profitable, but can show that they're profitable and do that for you. So if you guys want, I do have a community. I know, how ironic, I have a community and I'm telling you to join one, but you don't have to join mine. Go find one that works best for you specifically. Because in trading, it's not a one shoe fits all. So go find what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and then stick to it. Stop changing, stop watching video after video, strategy after strategy, and trying one because you're unprofitable one. No, find a strategy, find a team, find a community, and stick to it. That's going to be the most important part, is sticking to it and managing your emotions and your risk. But that's the end of the video. That's exactly what I would do if I had to start over from completely scratch. I know it's short, it's to the point, because it should be. Okay, you don't want to overcomplicate things from the very beginning. Find a strategy that works best for you. Find a team that can help keep you accountable, and a team that you like. And whether that be us, whether that be someone else, just do it. Trust me. But that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching till the very end. Would greatly appreciate it if you guys can support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and then I will see you guys in the next video.